Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we believe is the best inspirational quote T-shirt for women. The kindness shirt tops for women featuring the message, "Be real, not perfect." This short-sleeved tee is not just a piece of clothing. It's a statement of positivity and authenticity that resonates with anyone looking to embrace their true self. This shirt is crafted from a cotton blend fabric, which means it offers a comfortable and breathable fit. The material is skin-friendly and slightly stretchy, making it ideal for all-day wear, whether you're at work, running errands, or enjoying casual outings. It's designed to keep you feeling fresh and at ease throughout the day. One of the standout features of this tee is its unique design. The inspirational phrase, "Be real, not perfect," is printed clearly on the front, promoting a positive mindset and self-love. The print is well executed, ensuring the message stays vibrant over time. The classic round neck and short sleeves make it versatile enough to pair with almost anything, whether jeans, skirts, leggings, or shorts. This t-shirt also works perfectly as a thoughtful gift. It encourages authenticity and kindness, making it a meaningful present for friends, family members, teachers, or anyone in your life who could use a little daily inspiration. It suits a variety of occasions, from casual wear and workouts to parties and even special days like Mother's Day or Teacher's Day. When it comes to fit, the shirt is designed to be flattering and comfortable. It pulls on easily without any complicated closures, and the sizing range from small to XXL means most women can find their ideal fit. Its lightweight nature makes it perfect for summer, yet you can layer it under jackets or sweaters during cooler months. Caring for this shirt is straightforward. Hand washing is recommended to maintain the fabric and print quality. This simple care routine helps the tee retain its softness, shape, and the inspirational message's sharpness wash after wash. Overall, the kindness shirt tops for women is more than just apparel. It's a wearable reminder to embrace imperfection and live authentically. It offers comfort, style, and a powerful message all in one. If you're looking to add a positive, inspiring piece to your wardrobe, this tee is an excellent choice. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.